वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ सोमा स्पीक्स। सो आज का जो हमारा एपिसोड है, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप देख रहे होगे आज तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही एस्थेटिक वाइब्स हमारे आसपास हो रखी है, बिकॉज जहाँ मैं आज हूँ आई थिंक आई फील वेरी एस्थेटिक, आई फील वेरी पॉजिटिव। आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम एवर जब मैं किसी के घर में घुसी और मैंने बोला योर हाउस इज सो प्रिटी, योर हाउस हैज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल ऑरा, एंड आई थिंक the house is made by the people and so is the guest today. I always give intros where I explain कि कैसा मेरा feeling रहा, but I don't know, I just feel first time कि this podcast is the most quickest podcast I have ever done, कि मेरी सुबह बात हुई और शाम को हम podcast कर रहे हैं. I think again it has something related to how destiny works, because this person is so humble, is so genuine. You get such a positive, clean vibes from the person right now sitting in front of me. Matlab, she is absolutely beautiful inside out, and that is very well reflected in everything around her, be it her home, be it her grace, be it the way she speaks. And I think प्रोफेशन पे तो मैं अभी जाऊंगी कि what exactly she does and why am I with her, why am I taking her podcast, but there are people you really feel कि you know there's already a podcast happened between us before the cameras were on. Well, she is a clinical hypnotherapist and she has really hypnotized me with her positive aura, I can say that. So there's a lot more to discover about her, a lot more to discover about her profession. और आज का जो हमारा podcast रहने वाला है, बहुत बार लोग कहते हैं कि इंट्रोस थोड़े छोटे कर दो, पर जब ऐसे लोग सामने होते हैं हो नहीं पाता. आज का जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट है, हम लोग बात करने वाले एक ऐसी साइंस के बारे में, हम एक बात करने वाले एक ऐसी थेरेपी मोडालिटी के बारे में जो कि इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है बट बहुत ही मिसजज्ड है. सो आई थिंक नाउ आई शुड इंट्रोड्यूस द गेस्ट एंड लेट हर टेक ओवर माई पॉडकास्ट. वेलकम महक मैम, हाउ आर यू?
Thank you for having me over. And like you said, it was destined to be with you here. And my day was just not free today. And I had not thought that I could squeeze in this. But the minute I spoke to you, something inside me said कि आज तो ये करना बनता है. Like, I can't miss out on this. So we are here.
Alright, so you met the guest, Mehak Talwar. She is a clinical hypnotherapist and she really works very well with inner child healing, the traumas, and also she is an NLP practitioner. So there's so much to discover about her, a complete package when we talk about healing and therapy. So let's start with the initial topic that I found very interesting in you was that जब भी hypnotherapy की बात होती है ना, तो लोग सोचते हैं कि वो pendulums और drowsing और बस hypnotize कर दिया कुछ.
Correct.
But what exactly is it? What is hypnotherapy?
So hypnotherapy is a very beautiful modality. It is not like the old tradition times जहाँ पे हम mass hypnosis करते थे, जो सारे gurus करते थे. You know, they used to hypnotize the entire audience. So this is not that. This is very, very deep healing. I say it's in the subconscious mind. ये कॉन्शियस माइंड से बहुत ही अंदर जाता है टू अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे ट्रॉमाज हैं जो हमने कभी अपनी फाइल्स खोली नहीं है.
ओके.
एंड एक्चुअली जो हम कॉन्शियस माइंड में चीजें अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, इट इज नॉट बिकॉज आज हम अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, इट इज बिकॉज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ने ये सब डील करा हुआ है. और उसकी वजह से आज जो हम कहते हैं ना लोग डेस्टिनी, दिस इज इन माई डेस्टिनी, वो डेस्टिनी कैसे बनती है? वो हमारी डीड्स से बनती है. तो हम जो कर्म कर रहे हैं, हम जो डीड्स कर रहे हैं, that is all going in that direction, and then it is getting sold in the subconscious mind. So subconscious mind में healings होती हैं. So hypnosis is very simple. I take people deep down into your subconscious state through a very simple meditation. It's a guided meditation and they go into the subconscious mind. वहाँ पे हम देखते हैं क्या क्या patterns बने हुए हैं आपके. Patterns of rejection. You know, like I'll just tell you a very good example. I had a client, I won't name the client. So he always said, मैम मैं हमेशा रिजेक्शन लेता हूँ, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड मुझे छोड़ के चली गई, मेरे बॉस ने मुझे निकाल दिया. So उसकी लाइफ में सीरीज ऑफ रिजेक्शंस हैं. ठीक है. So जब वो मेरे पास आया तो मैंने कहा अब देखते हैं ये रिजेक्शन कहाँ से आई. You know, we need to go to the root cause. Okay. So I took him in the womb.
Okay.
I took him in the womb of his mother, when he was in the womb of his mother. Okay. So we went very deep in. And now he was hearing the voices around his mom that people were saying that, you know, अब अगर लड़की हो गई तो क्या होगा?
Oh.
You know, why are you conceiving? The girl didn't want to conceive herself. She didn't want to get pregnant.
Okay.
So she was actually rejecting the old child that was inside of her. So उसे womb से ही rejection feel हो गई थी. Because the mother was not prepared, the mother did not want to have the child, the family members didn't want her to have a child. Okay, so the rejection started from the womb. अब वो वहां से rejection शुरू हुई. जब वो life में आया, then he was probably not treated so well, welcomed so well in his life. So and mother is a first angel of a child, right? Correct. And when she rejects the child, then the child feels rejection from everywhere. तो हर जगह से उसे rejection feel हुई. उसके बाद ये एक पैटर्न बन गया. उसने कभी ये पैटर्न सोचा नहीं कि ये पैटर्न है. सो हर जगह उसको रिजेक्शन फील हुई. सो दैट्स व्हेन वी चेंज्ड दैट. वी चेंज्ड इन द वूम. जो उसको फील हुआ, वी चेंज्ड दैट फीलिंग. वी स्टार्टेड ब्रिंगिंग मोर लव एंड केयर बिकॉज ही वॉज मिसिंग दैट. And that's when his patterns changed, and now he's stable in his job, and a lot more is working out for him.
Wow, so I think a lot of people are very rigid with this कि नहीं हमारी लाइफ में तो कोई trauma नहीं है.
Correct.
Even if I think it's a very toxic approach to life when they feel that they are not weak. हमारी लाइफ में तो कुछ गलत ही नहीं है, हम तो वीक नहीं है, हम तो बहुत स्ट्रांग है, हमें चीजें फर्क नहीं पड़ती. But do you think deep within everybody there is some trauma instilled?
I feel everybody. You know, it's not this life we are dealing with. We are dealing with sanskars of old life. You and I probably think इस life में तो हमने कुछ बुरा करा नहीं, हमारे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Right? Lot of people ask me this. मैं हमने तो कुछ नहीं बुरा किया, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ है? You know that question, why me? Okay? So I tell them, maybe आपने पिछले जन्म में कुछ इसके साथ कुछ करा होगा that you have to pay the price in this life. You know? So we are talking about sanskars coming from that janam also. Okay? So sometimes everybody has trauma attached. Has trauma or some belief system which is not working out for them. So I think अंदर problem तो अंदर की है ना, तो अंदर जाना ही बहुत important है. अंदर की problem बाहर चीजें करने से change नहीं होती. So you have to go within. So I always say the way out is the way in.
Correct. See, I can relate at one point कि as you know that I'm into acupressure and healing things. When whenever I take clients or whenever I teach students, every time I try to relate with them. Because मुझे लगता है जब मैं उनकी problem को कहीं ना कहीं एक empathetic way से देखूंगी तब मुझे समझ आएगा. Do you have you ever faced traumas in your life as bad as you deal with the clients?
Of course. That's why I think I am in this journey. That's why I'm the chosen one here. I think I'm just a medium that I can empathize with a person, feel the pain, and then tell them now it's time how to release the pain. Teach them techniques that how to get rid of this pain. So, jab tak I don't think your heart chakra is open and you can understand the pain of the other person, you can't tell them how to deal with it.
Right. And if you are comfortable answering this, that a lot of people feel कि यार जो हमें heal कर रहा है उसकी life तो बहुत perfect है, उसकी life में क्या ही होगा. So if you just want to share a part of your life where you think has been a breaking point and how your own study helped you come from there.
Okay, so I have had a topsy-turvy life. You know, what my life seems right now is a life which I have earned. You know, the peace is actually earned and I have worked hard for this peace. So I got separated in COVID and I went through a lot of hurdles as a single mom, raising a child, being a single mom, doing all the parenting yourself and having questions about parenting, how to deal with the child's emotion, how to get him out of depression, all those things. I have worked hard achieving that. Plus starting careers and, started another business. So all of that required a lot of courage, a lot of faith and patience. So to these two things that I have a tattoo also which says faith and patience. So that's actually been my two mantras of life. That to have patience in your journey, because trusting that universe will give you what vibration you hold. So, लोग कहते हैं कि हम मैनिफेस्ट कैसे करें, मैनिफेस्ट नहीं हो रही चीजें, आपने ये बताया बट ये हुआ नहीं. सो मैं उन्हें बोलती हूँ कि आप पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हो, क्या बिलीव कर रहे हो कि ये होगा, या बिलीव कर रहे हो नहीं होगा. एंड दे एक्चुअली टेल मी हम बिलीव कर रहे हैं कि ये होगा ही नहीं, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. आई सेड देन इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो यू नो देयर इज अ होल साइंस टू इट, हाउ यू मैनिफेस्ट थिंग्स एंड हाउ थिंग्स हैपन.
Like you said that you got separated and a lot of things that you felt in your life. बहुत बार ना लोग यही बोलते हैं कि नहीं हो रहा है हमसे, और बहुत मुश्किल सिचुएशंस में, और इन अ वेरी ट्रॉमेटिक सिचुएशन इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कीप योरसेल्फ पॉजिटिव. नहीं होता लोगों से, लोग टूट जाते हैं. सो डू यू रियली थिंक दैट modalities like hypnotherapy should be accepted and people should come for this, so that अगर वो खुद से नहीं हो रहा है तो maybe from some external help it can help them?
So I believe that we have to ask for help. We all have to ask for help. Modi has a life coach. Obama has a life coach. Everyone has a life coach today. We all need a third perspective. जब हमें थर्ड पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है ना, तो हमें लगता है अच्छा ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं, बिकॉज हम इतने लिमिटेड सोचते हैं अपने माइंड से. बट अगर हम सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ऐसे भी वी कैन ट्राई दिस ऑल्सो, एंड इट रियली वर्क्स. सम क्लाइंट्स ऑफ माई टेल मी, मैम आपने एक ही सेंटेंस बोला था और हमने इसलिए ट्राई करा एंड इट इज वर्क लाइक मैजिक. मुझे याद भी नहीं रहता मैंने बोला क्या था, एंड इट इज वर्क लाइक मैजिक. सो आई बिलीव कई बार इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प एट ऑल स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ.
एंड डू यू थिंक ये सोच बदली जा सकती है कि नहीं, मुश्किल समय में भी नहीं होता है? बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से तुम्हें नहीं पता बिकॉज तुमने वो फेस नहीं किया, हमसे नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज तुम्हें हमारी सिचुएशन नहीं पता, हम इतने टूट चुके हैं. बट यू थिंक देयर इज अ वे टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस एज वेल?
Yeah, so continuous coaching sessions and taking external help, and सबसे पहले believing in somebody that they can help me out. लोग अगर faith से ही नहीं आएंगे ना, तो चीजें ही नहीं workout होंगी.
Correct.
Half the things, if they come with faith, things are resolved. And I think everyone should try out such modalities, especially like hypnosis. I've had so many cases, बच्चे जो addicts हो जाते हैं at that teenage. They have a lot of addictions and they can't come out of it. So I was working with one child and he said कि stress, the minute मुझे कुछ trigger होता है मैं cigarette उठा देता हूँ. That's the new trend, right?
Correct.
And there's so much of stress. They say it's Kalyug. Okay, air में ही stress है, anxiety है.
सही बात.
We are breathing it.
Correct.
Right? So how come it's not going to affect our life? It is going to affect our life. So I got him into hypnosis and we released that stress. We didn't release the addiction. We released the stress. और हमने जैसे उसने एंकर करा हुआ था स्ट्रेस को सिगरेट से, सो हमने स्ट्रेस का एंकर बनाया उसकी स्ट्रेंथ, हमने उसका डिफरेंट एंकर बनाया. तो जब हमने उस पे काम करा, देन ही रियलाइज कि अब स्ट्रेस होता है, सो आई लिसन टू म्यूजिक, आई गो आउट फॉर अ ड्राइव. सो आफ्टर एवरी सेशन आई यूज्ड टू कीप अ पैक फॉर हिम. सो आई सेड, tell me, you want to have it? And he used to say, no, I'm good.
Wow. So मतलब सबसे आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा जो क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन हो जाती है वो ये हो जाती है कि एवरीबडी गेट्स इनटू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एडिक्शन. सो आई थिंक इफ हिप्नोसिस कैन गेट समवन आउट ऑफ इट, so it is really doing wonders.
Yeah.
Out of the podcast, there's something that is catching my attention a lot, is your particular outfit. Your sari is looking absolutely pretty.
Thank
and there's
you.
something written on it. So can you just tell me what it is?
Yeah. So it's a magical sari and it's got affirmations written.
Wow.
So it says I'm whole and complete.
Wow.
It says I believe in miracles. And these are some power conscious statements which are really miraculous if you start doing them. So there was a time in life where I was living affirmations. I was talking living affirmations. I would just keep saying I'm powerful enough to start my own life, and I'm happy and I'm joyful and I'm attracting the people who I want to touch their lives. So that's how the work just started. That's how people started coming into my life, good people like you, and to help me and to do so many things. So when we speak out these words, यूनिवर्स वही मैनिफेस्ट करता है. तो यूनिवर्स आपकी सेल्फ टॉक ही नोट कर रहा है. वो आपके वर्ड्स, आपने क्या पहना है, क्या कर रहे हो, वो सब कुछ नहीं देख रहा है. वो सिर्फ आपकी पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक देख रहा है. So once we start talking positively and using these powerful affirmations, because words hold vibration, right? मतलब हम ओम वर्ड बोलते हैं. ओम is such a powerful word. It's just a vibrating word. So affirmations are vibration, and that's what I'm wearing today.
Sweet. All right. So, again, whatever we talked abhi tak, it is more related to your mental energy and how you're thinking and how you're perceiving things. hypnosis really helps us with our health performance and physical attributes as well?
Correct. So health is basically stored, diseases are stored emotions in our body. You know, अगर हम कहते हैं हमारी legs में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है,
जी.
that means we are fearing to move forward in life. हमें future के बहुत डर हैं. You know, if we have headaches, that means we are overthinking and we are depleting ourselves. So every part of our body is storing emotions. And if we are not working on those emotions, it is becoming a disease. So when we do hypnosis and we understand कि ये दर्द आपको किस situation से आई, अगर आपकी legs की दर्द जा नहीं रही है, तो वो ऐसी कौन सी situation है, कौन सा emotion है जो यहाँ पे stuck है, और जब हम उस emotion पे work करते हैं, naturally the energy starts flowing. It's an energy block, and
Wow.
it starts flowing, and then we start feeling better.
Wow. So, you know, I can give a stamp to this thought of yours because acupressure also works on energy systems.
Yeah.
Like we say that there's an energy blockage somewhere because of which the diseases happen. और आपने जैसे बोला कि leg move नहीं like you know there's some pain in the leg
Yeah.
means that the person is not having you know that freeness और
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं fears हैं.
Yeah.
That is completely very scientific because we feel that leg pains happen a lot of times because
Yeah.
of kidney reasons, and
Correct.
kidney is governed by fear.
Fear.
So I think that how the things are connected, they are so beautiful.
Yeah.
और तो मतलब you are really working on the depth level of all the physical diseases as well.
Correct. Correct.
So अगर किसी को कोई problem है physical like stomach upset है,
Yeah.
so you are working on कि उसके पीछे emotional aspect क्या है.
Yeah, उसके पीछे acceptance नहीं है, digestion. It's about digesting things.
Okay.
They are not accepting वो life के किस phase में है. They want it different. So when they start digesting and accepting life as it is, stomach ache becomes. So I will like to tell you that I had an IBS for the longest time.
Okay.
Irritable bowel syndrome. And in stress time, it used to become worse. And I realized that, you know, how to heal that. So I started working on accepting things in my life. And because it was a digestion problem. So when I worked on the affirmations and I started telling myself all is well in my world. You must have seen that movie, right? All is well. All is well. So that's what he's affirming. He's affirming all is well and things are turning out well. So that's what I did with my stomach, and I'm IBS free.
Wow. So I think would it be right to say that today people have a lot of gut issues?
Correct.
At the same time, people have a lot of acceptance issues. Like their expectations are much higher, and they're not accepting the fact that whatever they have right now around them is a blessing itself.
Right.
So क्या हम इन दोनों चीजों को relate करके ये बोल सकते हैं कि gut issues का भी बहुत बड़ा कारण यही है?
बिल्कुल, सारे इश्यूज का आई थिंक सारे इश्यूज आर रिलेटेड टू आवर इमोशंस, और जब हम उन पे वर्क करते हैं होलिस्टिकली हमारी लाइफ बहुत ही सुंदर हो जाती है. सो व्हाई नॉट सीक हेल्प एंड मेक इट ब्यूटीफुल, व्हाई लिव इन पेन एंड हर्ट्स.
Correct.
या
Hypnosis is somewhat very related to entering into someone's mind.
Yeah.
And one of such practice is past life regression.
या
I have got it done once, and the kind of information that I got to know about it, जो भी चीजें मुझे पता चली मेरे पास्ट लाइफ की, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि उसको जानने के बाद मैं अपनी इस लाइफ के साथ इतनी कंफर्टेबल नहीं थी. So what do you suggest, being the expert? Is it really required?
Okay, so I have done past life regressions for people, but that is contradictory because spirituality says कि हमें जितना भगवान ने हमारा माइंड बनाया है या आंखें बनाई हैं, जितना विजन होना चाहिए उतना ही बनाया है. So as humans, why are we trying to go even deeper? Because such information will leave you, it won't heal. It will leave it will be in your memory. And when it will be in your memory, then it will disturb you. So I feel ये चीजें हमें avoid करनी चाहिए. We should live in the present and practice spirituality instead of doing PLRs.
All right. So this was again a very mental health वाला aspect. एक और बहुत सबसे बड़ी problem जो आजकल चल रही है, I think again people are not really aware of the content they are consuming. चाहे वो हमारी recent controversies हो या जिस भी तरीके से people are really going towards a very dark side of social media.
Right.
Do you think that is impacting our mental health?
Of course, whatever we see and whatever we sleep with starts working in our subconscious mind. अब रोज रात को लोग यही कंट्रोवर्सीज देख के सोते हैं. रात का ही टाइम होता है जब हम स्क्रॉल करते हैं रील्स, राइट? एंड देन वी ट्राई एंड स्लीप. और हमें नींद नहीं आती और हम सुबह इन्हीं थॉट्स के साथ उठते हैं और ग्रॉगी होते हैं और इरिटेबल होते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर कंज्यूमिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस इन आवर हेड एंड वी आर प्रोसेसिंग इट व्हाइल वी आर स्लीपिंग, तो ऑब्वियसली यही रिजल्ट आएगा. सो इंस्टेड आई थिंक वी शुड बी वेरी चूजी अबाउट द कंटेंट दैट वी आर रीडिंग.
Because you talked about sleep issues, what do you think can be the reason कि insomnia आजकल के टाइम पे इतना बढ़ रहा है, be it for a person of any age group?
It's just because of overthinking. It's because हम बहुत कुछ सोच रहे हैं and हम इतना सोचते हैं, हमारा माइंड इतना एक्टिव हो जाता है. So there is a small hypnosis, self hypnosis that I teach my clients कि सोने से पहले थोड़ा सा self hypnosis कर लो, थोड़ा सा काम डाउन हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा कम इन टू योर ओन सिस्टम रादर देन बीइंग आउट देयर, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल आउट देयर, राइट, थिंकिंग यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, वहां पे ये हो रहा है, आज ये हो रहा है, सो वी आर ऑल ओवर एंड वी कांट स्लीप. सो सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस गेट्स यू अपने अंदर आपको लेके जाता है और आप थोड़े काम होते हो एंड देन यू आर एबल टू स्लीप बेटर.
Wow. So, do you teach all of this?
Yes, of course.
So, do you think that people should really, I mean, of course, they want an extra help.
Yeah.
But साथ ही साथ, do you think that people should also start learning these sciences for themselves?
Of course, because आजकल हर एक घर में एक थेरेपिस्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Very true, very true.
So, जितना अभी जितना वाइब्रेशंस हम यूनिवर्स की बढ़ाएंगे और इन्हीं सब चीजों से बढ़ेगी. So when there is a healer, there is a therapist in every house, the vibrations will rise.
All right. Another issue that people face these days, जो सबसे ज़्यादा एक health issue बन गया है, is weight management. Be it if a person is losing a lot of weight or a person is gaining a lot of weight.
Yeah.
How does hypnotherapy talks about it?
So basically when we are overweight, so people are not feeding their stomachs. They are feeding their emotions.
Wow.
Okay, so they are getting bored, they are lonely, they are eating, So they don't know what to do in life, so they are overeating. Sometimes they are hooking on to junk food or meetha, or all of that. So जब हम hypnosis करते हैं और हम subconscious mind में वो सब चीज़ों से, अपनी पुरानी चीज़ों से या current issue से deal करना सीख जाते हैं, then हमारा emotional quotient balance हो जाता है. When emotion quotient is balanced, then we don't need those extra cravings. Then we know कि okay, we are balanced as a human being.
Correct.
So it takes care of the weight issues.
So ये एक myth है या सच है, ये आप मुझे बताइए. Reprogramming the mind. Can it really be done?
Of course. So very powerful technique which is NLP called Neuro Linguistic Programming. इससे हम अपने माइंड को रीवायर रीसेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी पास्ट कंडीशनिंग बहुत डिफरेंट रही है. जैसे बचपन में सिखाया है. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग माय चिल्ड्रंस काउंसलिंग दीज डेज ऑफ सेंसिटिव किड्स, एंड बच्चों को हमें भी बताया है कि रोना नहीं है, बी स्ट्रांग, बी टफ, रोने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो अगर हम ऐसे प्रोग्राम करेंगे देन क्या होता है, बच्चे डोंट वांट टू एक्सप्रेस बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट वी शुड नॉट टेल आवर वीकनेसेस. हमें नहीं बताना है घर में, क्योंकि हमारी मदर ने बोला है कि स्ट्रांग रहना है. ऐसे ही बच्चे बड़े होके लाइफ कोचेस के पास जाते हैं, हेल्प लेते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें एक्सप्रेस करने की स्पेस नहीं मिली. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम ऐसी टेक्निक्स यूज करें लाइक एन NLP विच कैन एक्चुअली रीवायर योर कंडीशनिंग एंड मेक यू जनरलाइज कंडीशनिंग से हटा के वो आपको बहुत फोकस्ड रखता है कि आपको क्या करना है.
All right. Again, because you mentioned about children, I think एक टर्म है inner child, जो आज तक honestly speaking मुझे इंटरनेट पे बहुत अच्छे से समझ नहीं आई. So I would really want you to explain ये inner child होता क्या है and why are people so much into this inner child healing?
So हम सबका एक inner child है जो कहीं रुका हुआ है. अच्छा. जो कहीं पे उदास है या कहीं पे हर्ट है या दुखी है. So उसकी वजह से हम we just feel that we are adults and we have to be very poised and we have to behave like an adult. आजकल अगर आप बोलो जैसे बारिश होती है, मेरा बहुत मन करता है कि मैं बाहर चली जाऊं और अपने बच्चे के साथ डांस करूं बारिश में, बट कंडीशनिंग कहती है कि एज एन एडल्ट यू शुडंट डू इट. योर चाइल्ड, ये बच्चों की करने की एज है, तुम्हारी एज नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
तो आपका इनर चाइल्ड बहुत चीजों में रुक जाता है कि अच्छा नहीं करना चाहिए, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, व्हाट विल सोसाइटी से, व्हाट विल पीपल थिंक ऑफ यू. So when the inner child is active, then you want to be alive, you want to do everything, you want to be creative. So आपके सारे creative juices बाहर निकलते हैं. So inner child healing is very very intense and very beautiful, very close to my heart, because I make people go back into their inner child and connect with their inner child and know कि उनकी लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हुई चाइल्डहुड में जिसके लिए वो अभी भी कभी सोचते हैं और तो दुखी होते हैं. दैट मीन्स आपका इनर चाइल्ड हील नहीं है.
So, can you just share some of your cases or things that क्योंकि this sounds very, अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि my inner child is coming up कि हाँ कुछ तो है जो I also want to do. So, any cases you can share with us?
So, I have a client who is about 50 years old, and her mom is even older, and she has issues with her mom. And I tell her कि अब तो इतने साल हो गए, मतलब इतनी चीजें हम इग्नोर करके एक्सेप्ट ही कर लेते हैं. But she's still not able to come out because she says I was so badly treated by my mother that मैं अभी तक हर जने में वही देखती हूँ. वही पैटर्न मेरे अंदर है और मैं वही देखती हूँ. And she's still very sad about things कि I could not do this, I could not do that. वो अपनी ग्रोथ को रोका हुआ है उसने. Because she feels that my mom always said you're not good enough. So she says because that line still rings in my ear that I'm not good enough. That मैं आगे ही कुछ नहीं कर पाई. So when we heal the inner child, you see so many possibilities in you, so much potential in you कि आप कितना कुछ कर सकते हो.
Wow. All right. And do you think this is again a very big myth कि जो high profile people होते हैं उनकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है बिकॉज उनके पास पैसा है तो हर चीज पैसे से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो डू यू थिंक दिस इज अ मिथ अगेन?
Totally it's a myth because I coach a celebrity and she comes with a lot of baggage, lot of problems and a lot of trust issues with a lot of things, lot of people. So है तो human ही ना. So she holds that emotions and I have seen the growth, I have seen the changes that gradually she has changed her way of looking at things differently and she's growing in her career and feeling more confident and more energetic about things.
One more thing that I want to know is that a lot of times people, I think जो आजकल के टाइम में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है is the problem of acceptance. So as a clinical hypnotherapist, I would want you to answer this question ki what actually is the rule or what can be really done to improve the acceptance in life, be it for a person of any age group again?
So first of all, they have to know the pros and cons. कि अगर ये situation है इसके pros and cons क्या हैं. थोड़ा सा understanding लाके then start mirror work. Mirror work is a very powerful technique. Okay. So I have these heart-shaped mirrors that I give to my clients and they hold the mirror and they start saying things that they are not accepting. Like I accept the big changes in my life. I accept that my boss has changed and I have to, report to another boss. So they start looking at the mirror and they start saying what all they are not able to do. The challenges that they are feeling. And the mirror reflects back at them and they start feeling that acceptance gradually.
Wow. And again, it's कि बहुत why this thing is coming in my mind is कि क्या हर बार हर situation का सही होना जरूरी है?
I think कुछ सही गलत नहीं होता है. It's all in our head. It's all in our head and it's a very generalized statement. तो सही कुछ नहीं होता है. जो आपकी नजर में सही वो सही, जो मेरी नजर में सही वो सही. So I think we should just accept things as they are.
ओके तो हमने बहुत सारे भी बात करी अबाउट द एनर्जी सिस्टम, हाउ एनर्जी इज इम्पैक्टिंग इन आवर लाइफ. और जो सबसे बड़ा हमारा एनर्जी का एक जोन होता है जहाँ आई थिंक हमारे घर ने हमारा हर वो एनर्जी का जोन देखा है. गुस्से की एनर्जी देखी है, खुशी की एनर्जी देखी है. डू यू थिंक आवर हाउस एनर्जी इम्पैक्ट्स अस अ लॉट?
Of course. So it's the environment that makes a difference in how we feel. So as you rightly said, हमारे घर की एनर्जी हमारी होती है. The walls get into our energy. So I think अपने घर को cleanse रखना बहुत important है. So on every full moon I do this cleansing. I put in camphor and lot of things for nazar and I put it all around the house, burning in all the corners and saying that all the extra energy goes out of the house and I only welcome abundant energy. So doing that for your house makes a lot of difference. Plus fragrance, sea salt pochas, so lot of techniques to cleanse your house.
And actually that is very well reflected at your home. I mean,
Thank you.
your home has very positive and beautiful aura.
Thank you.
What exactly you do for your home?
So I put in lot of chants.
Okay.
Lot of chants in my house loudly in all the rooms. So that plays on a lot of fragrance, lot of kapoor.
I can. Since the time I've entered your house, I think there's a very strong smell of camphor that is
Camphor,
coming, and that is a very soothing smell. At the same time, I also want to know कि बहुत ये तो हमने अपने घर की बात करी, but बहुत generally ऐसा होता है कि you really can't avoid people all the time, and आपको बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलना होता है जिनकी बहुत negative energy होती है. चाहे आप उनसे किसी physical touch पे मिलो, या आप सिर्फ आप किसी से physical touch पे मिलो, या फिर आप सिर्फ signs and you are looking at someone. हम बोलते हैं वो ऐसे देख रहा था इसलिए नजर लग गई. Do you think energy can also be manipulated here?
Of course. So, like I say, positive energy, there is negative energy also. Okay, so it impacts very sensitive people. Like the more you evolve, the more spiritual practices you do, आप ज़्यादा sensitive होते रहते हो. So, आप prone to lot of bad evil eyes. You get prone to lot of evil eyes. So, इसीलिए अपने around एक shield रखना बहुत important है. Whichever God you believe in, you close your eyes and you imagine the shield coming from that God, and when you walk out of the house, you tell that shield to walk with you. So that keeps you shielded and protected. And a lot of meditation. Meditation really helps.
Alright, so before we come to the end, I think there's one thing that just popped up in my mind, क्योंकि हम negative energy की बात कर रहे हैं. एक सबसे बड़ा negative energy का factor जो हर एक human में आता है is a factor of jealousy. People out there are jealous of someone's money, of someone's family. There's plenty of things. सबसे बड़ा issue तो हमारे एक बहुत teenage phase में ही start हो जाता है, where we are getting jealous कि हमारी friend उसकी friend क्यों है, why is our guy talking to some other girl. So I think ये बहुत ही ना एक negative energy produce करता है, because I have also been through that stage, and I know कि जब भी jealous feel होता है तो you don't feel like eating anything, or you overeat things. Your body just behaves in a very ajeeb manner. So what exactly, how would you break down this jealousy?
So this is only because you lack self-love.
Oh.
When you have self-love and you feel and believe in yourself so much कि आपको लगेगा नहीं कि अगर आपका boyfriend किसी से बात कर रहा है, so you would be so full of self-love and you know your worth that you would say करने दो, eventually it'll be mine, right? So when you have that self-worth, self-confidence, it all comes up to self-love. So जब आप loving हो, you will attract love. So it's like negativity attracts negativity, positivity attracts positivity. So if you are love energy, you will attract love energy, and there'll be no other energy coming your way.
Wow. Very beautifully said. But again, I would ask, जो ज़्यादातर, because see, I also handle clients related to this, so I understand कि कई बार ना लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि बहुत triggers होते हैं हमारे आसपास. For example, that maybe the person cheats on us, or probably someone we know is lying to us and we know that they are lying to us. So ऐसे बहुत triggers होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में जिसकी वजह से ना हमारे अंदर वो jealousy पनप जाती है, या एक jealousy आ जाती है. What is the best way to deal here?
So there is a technique called as cord cutting.
Oh.
So हमारी cords attach हो जाती हैं, they are called negative cords, negative ties. जब ये attach हो जाती हैं, the other person takes the power out of your cords. So you start feeling that negative connection, and वहीं पे सारी negativity शुरू हो जाती है. You start feeling jealous about the other person, मैं इस reason से trigger हो गई, and all of that starts off. जब आप cords ही काट दोगे, तो वो negative energy exchange ही नहीं होगी. So these modalities really help you to set yourself free.
Wow, so it was so much energy. I think for the rest of couple of days, I'll be in a very positive energy, thinking all that you have told me. And फिर जब मुझे लगेगा I'm sulking, I'll definitely come back to you.
Sure, thank you so much.
How was your experience here?
It was amazing. It doesn't feel I met you for the first time. And it all just, you took out the best out of me, I think.
Wow, that's a very big compliment. And I think, even though this thing, I would want to leave it on you guys कि मैं तो मिलती रहूंगी, बात करती रहूंगी, but I want कि आप अभी तो बहुत कम हमने नॉलेज निकाली है. आई थिंक शी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज टू बी put in different episodes. So well, if you want to see her again on my channel, all you have to do is just comment about how this episode was. क्या क्या आपको पसंद आया, आपके best moments क्या थे, and please share it with anybody who needs, because we don't realize guys कि कैसे हमारे आसपास के लोगों को एक support की जरूरत होती है, and you are the one who can let those people reach to the right people. So please make sure that you're sharing this podcast, and please भर के comments करो, because there are plenty of topics जो भी मैं discuss करना चाहती हूँ इनसे. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Thank you so much for being a lovely guest.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next episode.